Welcome to another MailerLite tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your campaign name. All right, it's actually pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and go to your campaign section. The way to do that is just by going to your dashboard. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to campaigns in the left panel. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, in here, you're going to want to select your campaign. For example, this campaign right here, as you can see, it is named Test Campaign. Now, if I want to edit the campaign name, all I have to do is just go ahead over to edit, or just click on the drop down right here and hit on rename. Right here, I'm just going to rename it maybe news. All right, hit on save. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, that is now changed. I'll say, for example, you are in this section. When we click on edit right here, you'll still have the option to edit the campaign name from here. All you have to do is just go ahead over to the top right here at the top left and click on details. And here you can go ahead and change the campaign name as well. For example, newsletter. Once that's done, I'm going to hit on next and review and just close it. All right, as you can see here, it is reloading, and here we have our new campaign name. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.